Hello everyone, today we are here for this video how to properly to install an application. So I have using the Windows 10 because I don't have the Microsoft Store, so it's too hard to install the application. But I am using the Chrome. Just search the en-up-to-down.com. So this is the website of up-to-down. So I download the application in up-to-down. So let's try to search Terrabox. This is commonly used Terrabox, which is to retrieve their other storage, their file and other videos. And as you can see, there are a download button. So click this to delete this. And download Terrabox. So Windows was not compatible, suitable the Windows. So I'm using the Terrabox for Windows. Here, it's still loading. Alright, now I must click the download and see if ever search. If ever there is pop-up in the download here, let's see, take a moment to download this one. Once it's done, we click the box at exit file. Quick installation. This is the application for Windows. That earlier I just clicked for the application for mobile, so it's not suitable for the Windows 10. So that is why. And now we have the Terrabox application. This is how to install by using the up-to-down website. Okay, this is that's it for today. Hope you to useful this video and God bless us all. Thank you, and don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the button to uploading more videos. Thank you.